Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to show your university to everyone on Facebook. If you've been wondering how to make your educational background visible to the public, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can proudly display your alma mater on your profile. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Give it a tap. Now, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find your profile and tap on it. This will take you to your Facebook profile page. On your profile page, you'll notice an Edit Profile button. Go ahead and tap that. You're now in edit mode, where you can make changes to various aspects of your profile. Scroll down the edit page until you reach the Details section. In this section, you'll find an Edit option. Tap on it to continue. Under the Education heading, you should see your university listed. Look for the little pencil icon next to your university's name. That's your Edit button. Give it a tap. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a Privacy button. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with a list of privacy options. We want to make your university visible to everyone, so select Public from the list. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and tap it to confirm your new privacy setting. And there you have it. Your university is now visible to everyone on Facebook. It's a great way to connect with fellow alumni or showcase your educational background to potential employers or colleagues. Remember, you can always change this setting back if you decide you want more privacy in the future. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your academic achievements with the world.